You are very welcome. Viewers discretion. If you are on weight slimming course or financial slimming course, please consult your dietitianist or your banker before preparing this food. There are different styles of preparing instant noodles, but these styles come with different tastes. Let's get started. All the ingredients are ready. One is missing. Let him see. Oh, yes, I've remembered. Let's go to Safubafo's farm and take eggs. Now, welcome. Let's get started. Most of the instant noodles has its own spices. I'm going to cook 4 noodles. Let boil water first. Add the noodle to the boiling water. I'm going to add one spice from the noodle into the boiling noodles. While the noodle is slow but sure cooking, let's get to the second part, that is the eggs. I'm going to fry 4 eggs. Add little salt. Then add some little sardine. Add little shrimps. If you don't have shrimp powder, don't worry. Then add your chopped onion and then mix everything together. We are going to fry it. Because I added one spice of the noodle to the boiling noodle, I did not add salt. After straining the water, use your fork to biemu. Use the fork to spread it so that it doesn't become sticky. While the cooked noodle is resting, we are on our eggs. The egg is finished. Fry the eggs as if it is Rastafarian eggs. Now let's get to the next part. Fry onion and let it fry to the extent that it is getting brown. When it starts getting brown, add your chopped garlic. After adding the chopped garlic, add your chopped sausage of your choice. While thinking of your health, add your choice of vegetables, mixed vegetables, carrot, green pepper, red bell pepper, and spring onion. Spring onion is very important. After adding your vegetables, I'm adding another spice from the noodles. The spice from the noodle is 4. I'm using only 2 spices. I'm using one for the vegetables and I use one for cooking the noodles. If you have chili powder, add little. If you don't have powder pepper or if you are not a fan of pepper, don't add it. It is a choice. Then add your egg, Rastafarian eggs. After adding everything, let it be on fire on a medium heat for some time before adding your cooked noodle. I did not add salt because the sardine contains salt and the spice from the noodle also contains salt. So at this stage, stir it, then cover it for small time and then your instant noodle is ready. Come and join me. If you are planning to cook this food for your extended family every day, then instant noodle is not good for you. It is better to go for spaghetti. Thank you for watching Safubafo.